Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Google Fit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now you can select or set your activity goals, such as your steps, hard points that you want to achieve per day for doing activities at a higher pace. You can also set your bedtime schedule, the time when you want to get in bed and when you want to wake up. You can also add your weight and height information, set your the unit of measurement that you use, and also your height. Same applies here. So if you are done with adding all these information about yourself, you are done with this process. You don't have to press any save button. These information will be saved automatically, so thereby updating this section of your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.